In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Weebly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. The first step you need to take is to log in to the Weebly website. So go ahead and navigate your web browser to the Weebly homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. After entering your credentials, hit the Login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open the site editor. Take a look at your dashboard. You'll see several options, but you want to find and click on the Websites section. This will display a list of websites linked to your account. Identify the site for which you want to change the background color and click the Edit Site button. This action will take you into the Weebly site editor, where you can make all sorts of adjustments to your website's design. Once you're in the editor, focus your attention on the left-hand menu. There should be a variety of options available to help you customize your site. Look for and click on the Edit option. After that, select the Background option. This should open up the background settings where you can make all the desired changes. Now we're getting to the exciting part, changing the color of your background. In the background settings, you'll find an option labeled Edit Background. Click on this, and then you will see an option to change color. Go ahead and select that. At this point, a color palette will pop up, allowing you to explore different shades and colors. You'll notice a wide array of colors ranging from soft pastels to vibrant hues. When you see a color that resonates with your personal style or matches your site's theme, click on it to select it. And remember, the beauty of Weebly is in its customization, so don't hesitate to try out a few different shades to see what looks best. If you change your mind, you can always go back and select a different color. Once you've settled on the perfect background color, look for the Exit Background Edit button. By clicking this, you're not only applying the new color, but also saving all of your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color of your Weebly site. Just remember that these steps can easily be repeated whenever you want to refresh your website's look or match a seasonal theme. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.